Hi, my name is Julia. I wanted to share my newfound. Smart Healing Massage offers online classes that are not only affordable, but also incredibly valuable. The instructors know their stuff and the newfound skills have seamlessly blended into my practice. My clients appreciate the positive changes.
Hi, I want to share my experience with this website. I am really very happy with the affordability of Smart Healing Massage online classes. Their practical classes have made an amazing impact on my massage therapy practice. My clients are so very much happy and I am more than happy. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Carla. I'm so pleased with the result from Smart Healing Massages online classes. Affordable education that doesn't compromise quality. The techniques and knowledge I learned have elevated my sessions and my clients are loving it.
Hey, my name is Lydia and I wanted to share this website with you. Discovering Smart Healing Messages affordable online courses was a game changer for me. The techniques are practical, easy to integrate, and have genuinely improved my clients' interactions.